Hi, this is Tony Self with Harcourt Hunter Mason Realty, giving you a preview of a cool class I'll be teaching to my fellow realtors at the South Bay Association Realtors this coming Monday. So if you can make it, come out, take a look at it. It's really going to be a lot of fun. And I'll just show you here real quick. This is going to be preventing cybercrime and using AI to rule the world. It's a live class. I'm actually going to be, it's really exciting. I'm actually going to go live and show a lot of these different AI tools and how to use it both personally and professionally, and also talk a little bit about cybercrime and phishing and that sort of thing. So what I'm going to give you real quick is a preview of something that I was actually working on using Midjourney to create these kind of cool pictures. And let me show you something right now that I just did, and I just have to share this. This is so awesome. So what I was working on is I had, I said, okay, I had Midjourney. I have a Great Dane, Beowulf the Dane, if you see us around the Riviera. He's there. He's actually black and white. I said, okay, kind of recreate 4 Great Danes playing poker. And this is what it came back with. And then also, I'm part of a networking group, and I took a quick snapshot of the scribe note. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to say, okay, let's merge them together and see what happens. So this is what Midjourney created for me. Let me go ahead and pull this over. And this is amazing. You use we call Discord to kind of create these things, and I'll go over it in the class. But came up with these 4 images here, and wow, it's kind of me. You can see me right there, but the Great Dane, not really Great Danes. They're kind of like they look kind of like weird dogs. But it's me playing poker. I do love the fact that it gave me nice arms, so that's cool. But I look ancient, so maybe I am that old, but who knows? Maybe that's the case, but that is what it is. So this is Tony Self signing off, kind of giving you a preview of my upcoming class. It's going to be this Monday at the South Bay Association of Realtors, open to all realtors and professionals. Just sign up. I believe if you're a member, it's free, and it's going to be an hour. There will be breakfast, and we will have it sponsored by our very own Susie Pelshaw from Home Warranty, and also Dana Waddell as well from Mortgage. So have a lot of fun. Hope to see you there. If you have any questions, we'll see you soon. This is Tony Self signing off.